Tehillim 36. For the chief musician, by David, the servant of Yahuwah. An oracle is within my heart about the disobedience of the wicked. There is no fear of Elohim before his eyes, for he flatters himself in his own eyes, too much to detect and hate his sin. The words of his mouth are iniquity and deceit. He has ceased to be wise and to do good. He plots iniquity on his bed. He sets himself in a way that is not good. He doesn't abhor evil. Your chesed, Yahuwah, is in the heavens. Your faithfulness reaches to the skies. Your righteousness is like the mountains of Elohim. Your judgments are like a great deep. Yahuwah, you preserve man and animal. How precious is your chesed, Elohim! The children of men take refuge under the shadow of your wings. They shall be abundantly satisfied with the abundance of your house. You will make them drink of the river of your Eden, for with you is the spring of life. In your light shall we see light. Oh, continue your chesed to those who know you, your righteousness to the upright in heart. Don't let the foot of pride come against me. Don't let the hand of the wicked drive me away. There the workers of iniquity are fallen. They are thrust down and shall not be able to rise.